Hi everybody, it's Irene at Lifestyle Over 60. Today I'm coming to you with some new finds, clothing finds that I think you might like coming up. Today I'm showing you some things that I really like that I got recently that I will link for you below. You can get them too if you like them. Not expensive, not too expensive. And comfort is the name of the game. I am always looking for clothing that is comfortable but looks kind of dressy. And today I have pants and a skirt that feel like pajamas but look really good. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be showing you is from Walmart, from the expensive line of Walmart, which is not expensive at all. They're by the brand Free Assembly, and they are essentially like a sweatpant, cargo pant. And they feel like a sweatpant on. They are very soft and comfortable. The fabric, it's a cotton poly blend, 68% cotton, and the rest is poly. Very, very comfy to wear. And I like them so much because, as you can see, they look like pants on. They totally pass for pants, but they feel like a sweatpant. So I just checked. They come in 4 colors and they are in stock, and I will put the link below. Not sponsored, this video, by the way. This is just things that I really like that I would want you guys to know about. So, Free Assembly cargo sweatpants that feel like pants. Fabulous. And with those sweatpants that look like pants, I am wearing this top that I just got from Amazon. It's very clingy and fitted, so if you don't like that, you won't like this. But if you're looking for a long sleeve fitted, comfortable, ribbed knit top, it comes in all kinds of colors. I believe it was $24. And it's a rayon spandex. And so as you can see, it's kind of long, but you can roll it up. You can, tuck it in if you want to, so it won't add any bulk under anything. And like I say, it comes in all kinds of colors. It's really, for the price, and the fabric is nice, I can recommend it. And then also from Amazon, I got this 100% cotton sweater, lightweight, comfortable, comes in a whole lot of different colors. You can see how it looks on me. It's a kind of a good weight length, fits me well. You can roll up the sleeves if you want. You can roll up the bottom if you want. But it's just a real basic, all cotton. You can't beat that. And comfortable. I'm going red right now because I'm getting my holidays on. So, and again, this is not sponsored, and I will link this for you below so you can get it if you want. Like I said, we need to talk about these pants. These are from Blue Salt. You know Blue Salt, BLUESALT.com. These are called the Cindy pant. And they are a tensile spandex blend. And you can see them on. They look like a dress pant, I think. And yet they feel like a pajama kind of. They're super soft, but they don't show every little bump and bulge because it's kind of a thickish fabric, not super thick, but it's not super thin either. Yeah, it's just so comfortable. It's got just a white elastic waistband and a little bit of a flare with the Cindy pant. Blue Salt has a whole lot of things, check out their website. Not cheap, let me tell you the price. These are $175. But I don't regret spending it because of how comfortable they are. And I haven't worn them out yet anywhere, but I can't wait to wear them because you feel like you're wearing pajamas, but you're not. Okay, this is the boxy zip-up hoodie from Skims. And it is 100% cotton. It is expensive. It's $298. It was a gift for me. Um, but I wear it all the time when it's cold out, and it's the fall right now in LA, so it's kind of my go-to piece. It's heavy, it's boxy, but I think it's cute and it's beyond comfortable. There's no, just so you know, if you're going to get it, and I will link this as well, there's no string here at the hood. So you know most hoodies have like a drawstring so you can pull it tight. There's no string, so just so you know. I don't miss it myself. So yeah, the Skims Boxy Zip Up Hoodie. This skirt from Amazon, 21. It's called the Lock and Love maxi skirt on Amazon. And I love it. Again, it feels like you're wearing pajamas. That's my whole goal, you guys. I want to turn you on to comfy clothes that look good. So you're looking for a Christmas outfit. You've got that long black skirt. You've got your little red sweater. You're ready to go, right? A little brooch action, a little jewelry going on, and you're ready for a Christmas party. And you're comfortable, which is the main thing. I just did a whole video on this jacket that I've recently got from Wilson's House of Suede and Leather. It is a fantastic leather jacket. I can't recommend it enough. Total cost right now, if it's on sale, $194.50. So it's under $200. It's real leather, 100% polyester lining. But it's not just like a cheapy leather either. It's a buttery soft, really nice leather jacket. This also comes in different colors as well. I like the black because it's easy, but it comes in red if you're adventurous, you want to do a red leather jacket. That looks amazing with all black, you know. So, Wilson's House of Suede and Leather, highly recommend this jacket. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I liked showing you the things that I have found. Tell me in the comments, what do you think of them? If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe and join us. We're having a lot of fun at Lifestyle Over 60. I'm here to make women over 60 feel less alone and try to help all of us be our most glamorous, vital, and vibrant selves as we enter this fantastic part of our lives. So that's it. Come and see me again really soon.